Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we were doing page number 14 and 15 we have done. That was about how a book is made. Okay, and we left a very small topic before that chapter that is given at page number 12, that is know your flag. Okay, so that topic we are going to discuss in the today's session. Okay, so all of you kindly open your books at page number 12, that is know your flag. So I'm just writing the topic on the board, and all of you also as well kindly open your books. That is know your flag. This is the topic. Okay, and this is given at page number 12. That is know your flag. अपने फ्लैग को, अपने झंडे को जानिए या पहचानिए. ओके, सो देखिए द टॉपिक, द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस टॉपिक दैट नो योर फ्लैग इज दैट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट द फ्लैग्स ऑफ आवर कंट्री. तो हम अपने कंट्री के फ्लैग्स के बारे में जानेंगे, फ्लैग्स नहीं, फ्लैग के बारे में. सो टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द नेशनल फ्लैग ऑफ आवर कंट्री. ओके, सो व्हाट वी कॉल द नेशनल फ्लैग आवर कंट्री. जो हमारा राष्ट्रीय ध्वज है, जिसको हम बोलेंगे नेशनल फ्लैग मीन्स, नेशनल मीन्स राष्ट्रीय एंड फ्लैग मीन्स ध्वज, जिसको हम राष्ट्रीय झंडा भी बोलते हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट वी कॉमनली कॉल आवर नेशनल फ्लैग. सो अवर नेशनल फ्लैग इज कॉमनली नोन एज तिरंगा. ओके, तो हमारा जो नेशनल फ्लैग है उसको कॉमनली हम क्या बोलते हैं, वी कॉल इट तिरंगा. हम उसको तिरंगा बोलते हैं. ओके, सो हियर द क्वेश्चन इज, in this we will be having some of the clues here, okay, and some in the blanks form. Okay, and we are going to answer the following questions. Okay, so the first question from the topic know your flag is, in which year was the tricolor flag, then known as Swaraj flag, officially adopted at a session of the Indian National Congress? Okay, so here we in which year our year was the tricolor flag. तो अगे हमारे जो हमारा our national flag is known as तिरंगा, and it is also known as the tricolor. तिरंगा means तीन रंग का. Okay, so in English we call it as tricolor. Okay, so here the question is, before tricolor, okay, so that as our national flag, so presently our national flag is known as Tiranga, but before that it was known as Swaraj flag. Okay, tricolor flag से पहले इसको क्या बोला जाता था, स्वराज flag. Okay, in which year was the tricolor flag officially adopted as a session at the Indian National Congress? तो जो हमारा tricolor flag है उसको ऑफिशियली अडॉप्ट कब किया गया, कौन से ईयर में किया गया, इन द सेशन ऑफ INC, दैट इज इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस. तो इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस के सेशन में हमारा जो प्रेजेंट फॉर्म है हमारे फ्लैग का, दैट इज ट्राई कलर और तिरंगा, व्हेन इट वाज ऑफिशियली अडॉप्टेड, एंड इट वाज अर्लियर नोन एज स्वराज फ्लैग. सो दिस ट्राई कलर फ्लैग वाज ऑफिशियली अडॉप्टेड इन द सेशन of Indian National Congress in the year 1931. So in the year 1931, the national flag of our country, tricolor, is adopted in the session of Indian National Congress in the year 1931. So the answer of the first blank is 1931. That is 1931. Okay, next one. Second is, when was the national flag in its present form adopted? Okay, So you must have seen the national flag of our country, flag of our country. तो जो हमारी कंट्री का नेशनल फ्लैग है, ओके, सो आई जस्ट, you can see the picture here as well. This is the picture of the national flag. Okay, so the question in when was the national flag in its present form adopted? So this is the present form of our national flag. हमारा जो national flag है, it look like this in our present form. So in the present form it looks like this. And when was it adopted? Okay, so then when was the national flag in its present form adopted? So the national flag in its present form was adopted on 22nd July 1947. Okay, so जो हमारा national flag है, तिरंगा or tricolor, whatever you, however you name it or call it. Okay, so when was जो when it was adopted in its present form, that the present form that it is having right now. So when was it adopted? Years back. So it was adopted on 22nd July 1947. Now देखिए, so India got freedom on 15th August 1947. Okay, and on the same year the present form of a national flag was adopted on 22nd July 1947. Okay, so just देखो 15 को हुआ था, on 15 August India got freedom and 22nd July it was adopted. So that means near about you can say near about 20 to 23 days, 22 to 23 days before the national flag in its present form was adopted. Okay, so the date was 22nd July 1947. That is 22nd July 1947. So the national flag of our country in its present form was adopted on 22nd July 1947. Clear? Moving next to the third one. What is the ratio of the width of the national flag to its length? Okay, so you know the shape of our national flag is a rectangular shape. Okay, so this is the shape of our national flag. Okay, so this is the shape of our national flag. So थोड़ी सी मैंने यहाँ पे टेढ़ी लाइन बना दी है. So this is the shape. This is the shape of our national flag. Okay, it is like this. Okay, जो हमारा national flag है. Okay, so this is our national flag. Okay, so question is, what is the ratio of the width of national flag to its length? So जो हमारी national flag की length है, and this is the width. So what is the ratio of the width of the national flag to its length? Okay, तो देखिए ऐसा नहीं है कि you can just take a random paper. Okay, so you can just take a random cloth and you can just make the national flag. देखिए हम जो in the school normally we do these kinds of things, but actually there is a proper ratio of the length and the width of our national flag. तो हमारा जो national flag की length है और जो उसकी width है, width means चौड़ाई, you must be knowing it. So the ratio for the width and the length of our national flag is, that is 2:3. Okay, so this is the ratio of the width of the national flag to its length. So the ratio of our national flag to its length is, so the ratio of the width of national flag, width means चौड़ाई, of our national flag to its length is, that is 2:3. तो इसी shape में लेके then our national flag is being made. Okay, if it is being used for some national event or some other event, okay, international level, national level, and even the state level as well. Okay, so that is 2:3. So they just take the measurement of ratio using the ratio 2:3. 2 is the width and 3 is the length. Okay, moving next to the fourth one. The fourth is, how many spokes are there in the Ashok Chakra in the national flag of India? So, what is, the national flag of India? Okay, so it has a chakra in between. So, there are three colors in our national flag. The first is the saffron, second is white, and the third one is green. So, that you can see in your book as well. So, the saffron, white, and green, these three colors you can see in the national flag of our country. Okay, and on the white, okay, the white color you can see a chakra is there. Okay, so you can see a chakra is made there on the white portion. Okay, and this chakra, okay, so देखिए ये चक्र, सबसे पहली बात, सो ये चक्र है, इसके अंदर कितने स्पोक्स हैं? स्पोक्स मीन्स हाउ मेनी लाइन्स आर देयर इन दिस चक्र, and this is Ashok Chakra. Okay, so this Ashok Chakra has been taken from the lion symbol of Sarnath. So you must have visited the Sarnath so many times. Okay, national emblem and all chakra वगैरह जो हमारे you can see. Okay, so where have it is from where it has been taken? So the Ashok Chakra, so here they are talking that that is the chakra that is made on the white portion of a national flag. Okay, so how many spokes are there in it? So there are 24 spokes. 24 spokes means जो उसके हम बीच में तो लाइन जो होती है, जो हमारा चक्र है, ओके, जो हमारे नेशनल फ्लैग का व्हाइट है, उसमें हम देखें ना कि चक्र इज देयर, एंड 2 4 18 20 21 and 24. So there are 24 spokes on the on this chakra that is present on the white portion of our national flag. Okay, and this chakra is from Ashok Chakra. इसको अशोक चक्र बोला जाता है. So question is that how many spokes are there? तो जो हमने ये भी लाइंस बनाई थी इस चक्र के बीच में, तो कितने स्पोक्स हैं? There are, how many spokes are there? So there are 24 spokes in the national flag of our India. So there are 24 spokes. So you will write 24 spokes. That is 24 spokes. Clear? Moving to the fifth. What does the Ashok Chakra in our national flag depict? Okay, so you must have seen the Ashok Chakra in the national flag. Okay, so what does it depict? So Ashok Chakra in our national flag depicts Dharm Chakra. Okay, so that Ashok Chakra in our national flag, that is a symbol of Dharm. Dharm means religion, you can say, following your duty, obeying your religion, your culture, okay, your responsibility, your duties, okay, toward the nation, toward your mainly to the nations. Okay, so देखिए Ashok Chakra that is present on the white portion of our national flag. What it depicts means वो क्या बताता है, या what is the what it symbolizes. So it symbolizes Dharm Chakra. Okay, so that Ashok Chakra that symbolizes the Dharma Chakra. Okay, so that is the answer of the fifth one. That is Dharma, Dharma. That is Dharma Chakra. Chakra. That is Dharma Chakra. Okay, so these are the answers from 1 to 5 questions from your book that is given at page number 12. Okay, so the first is 1931. In this, the present tricolor flag of our India was adopted at the session of Indian National Congress, that is 1931. Second, in 22nd July 1947, on this day the national flag is in its present form was adopted. Third is 2:3, that is the ratio of width of our national flag to its length. The fourth is 24 spokes. So there are 24 spokes on the Ashok Chakra that is present in our that is made, or you can present in our national flag. The fifth is the Dharm Chakra. So the Ashok Chakra in the national flag symbolizes Dharm Chakra. Okay, so you can just pause the video here and note down the answers from the first 5 blanks. Okay, chaliye. Now moving next to the 6th one. We are moving to the 6th one now. The 6th is, by what name is our national flag popularly known? So, our national flag is popularly known as तिरंगा. तो हमारा जो नेशनल फ्लैग है उसको किस नाम से, यू कैन से पॉपुलरली नोन मीन, उसको किस नाम से जाना जाता है? ओके, जिसकी वजह से वो पॉपुलर है, नाम की वजह से पॉपुलर नहीं है. सो द व्हाट नेम ऑफ योर नेशनल फ्लैग इज मोस्ट पॉपुलर. Okay, so it is popularly known as, okay, and some people they call it that this is the national flag of India, or you can say this is the Tiranga. This is our Tiranga. So Tiranga is the what we call it. Tiranga is the popularly known name of the national flag of our country. The question is, by what name is our national flag popularly known? So our national flag is popularly known as Tiranga. That is popularly known as Tiranga. That is the answer of the 6th blank. Okay, that is Tiranga. Tiranga. That is Tiranga. So Tiranga is the popular known name of our national flag. Next is, in the event of the death of which dignitaries is the flag half-masted, flag flown below the top throughout the India. Okay, तो कहते हैं कि जब हमारी कंट्री में कौन से ऐसे यू कैन से द पर्सन हु इज एट सो इम्पॉर्टेंट प्लेस कि उसकी जब उनकी डेथ हो जाती है तो तब हमारा जो नेशनल फ्लैग है दैट इज हाफ हॉस्टेड. हाफ हॉस्टेड मीन्स दैट, देखिए जो नेशनल फ्लैग होता है वो हमेशा टॉप पे होता है. ओके, बट जब भी हमारे कंट्री के या किसी भी कंट्री के, okay, not okay, we are talking about the India only, not our other countries. So if suppose in case the death of the prime minister, president and the vice president, okay, अगर हमारे कंट्री के प्रेसिडेंट, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट या प्राइम मिनिस्टर की इनमें से किसी की भी डेथ हो जाती है while they were in session, at that time the flag was half hoisted. Half hoisted means that it the flag flown below the top. तो वो जो टॉप पे जो उसका फ्लैग होता है, ओके, यू मस्ट इफ यू हैव एवर सीन द राष्ट्रपति भवन, तो देखिए राष्ट्रपति भवन के ऊपर आपने देखा होगा जो हमारे भारत का तिरंगा लगा है. ओके, तो मोस्टली जितने भी हमारी व्हाट वी कॉल इट गवर्नमेंट, जो हमारी गवर्नमेंट बिल्डिंग्स हैं जहाँ पे भी फ्लैग्स लगे हुए हैं, ओके, सो सपोज हमारी कंट्री के प्राइम मिनिस्टर, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट या प्रेसिडेंट की डेथ हो जाती है, एट दैट टाइम द फ्लैग फ्रॉम दैट टॉप इज ब्लोन बिलो. तो उस फ्लैग को उसके टॉप से छोड़ के थोड़े नीचे ले आ दिया जाता है, एंड दिस सिंबलाइजेज द मॉर्न इन द होल कंट्री. Okay, so this is the symbol. Okay, so here the question is, in the event of the death of which dignitaries is the flag half masted, flag flown below the top. तो इसको टॉप से नीचे ले आते हैं throughout India, पूरे इंडिया में. Okay, so wherever there are government buildings are there. So that is the death of prime minister, president and vice president. So we will start with the first one. Okay, the head of the country is president. President is considered as the head of the country. Next is vice president. That is vice president. The last is prime minister. Prime minister. Okay, the one thing, important thing there is, देखिए हम we have talked about the president, vice president and prime minister. But जैसे कि अभी some months before, so the Pranab Mukherjee, who was a former president of our country, he just died. उस टाइम पे हमारा फ्लैग नीचे नहीं आया. The reason is बिकॉज ही वॉज नॉट इन द सेशन एट दैट टाइम. दैट मीन्स वो उस टाइम पे प्रेजेंट प्रेसिडेंट नहीं थे. तो दैट मीन्स अगर उस टाइम ये जो जिनकी भी डेथ होती है वो उस टाइम वो इसमें से कोई पोजीशन में हो, मतलब दैट ही इज इन द सेशन. ओके, दैट डजंट मीन कि पहले वो थे या नहीं थे. ओके, दैट डजंट मीन दैट. ओके, सो ही मस्ट बी इन द सेशन एट दैट टाइम. सो दैट मस्ट बी प्रेसिडेंट, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट एंड प्राइम मिनिस्टर. Clear? So this is the answer of the 6th and the 7th question. Okay, so this was from page number 12. Okay, so we have much more time left, so let's move to one more topic that is given at page number 16, that is parliaments of different countries. Okay, parliament of different countries given at page number 16. Parliament of different countries, that is given at page number 16. Heading is Parliament of different countries. Parliament of different countries. Okay, and this is given at page, this topic is given at page number 16. Parliament of different countries. So on page number 16 you can see there is a pictures of the 9 different nations. Parliament house of the 9 different nations is given. Okay, and you have to write the name as well as the name of the country कि किस country के parliament house को क्या कहा जाता है. Okay, so here the images of various parliament of houses of different countries is given, and we have to write the name of the country as well as the name of the parliament house of that country. So by what name the parliament house of that country is known. Okay, so the first picture you can see, so you must have this, it must be very familiar to you all. So this is the parliament house of our own country, that is India. So what is the name of the Parliament House of India? That is Sansad. The first picture is of India. Okay, and the first picture is showing the Parliament House of India, and it is known as Sansad. Sansad. That is Sansad. So Sansad is the name of the Parliament House of our country. Okay, so the Parliament of India is known, Parliament House of our country is known as Sansad. Okay, moving next to the second one. So in the second picture you can see, this is the second picture is of the Parliament House of China. Okay, so what is the name of the Parliament House of China? So that is known as National People's Congress. Okay, so the Parliament House of China is known as National People's Congress. So this is the National People's Congress is the name of the Parliament House of China. Second is China. Second is China, and it is known as National People's Congress. That is National People's Congress. Okay, so the Parliament House of China is known as National People's Congress. Moving to the third one. So third picture is of this is the third picture. This is the picture of the Parliament House of Russia. Okay, and the name of the Parliament House of Russia is Federal Assembly. Okay, so the name of Parliament House of Russia is Federal Assembly. Okay, and this is a very huge building. Okay, so that is of Russia. The third picture is of the Parliament House of Russia. RUSSIA, Russia, and the name of the Parliament House of Russia is Federal Assembly. FEDERAL. Okay, that is Federal Assembly. ASSEMBLY. Federal Assembly is the name of the Parliament House of Russia. Okay, So these are the answers from the first three. India's Parliament House is known as Sansad. China's Parliament House is known as National People's Congress, and the Russia's Parliament House is known as Federal Assembly. Okay, chaliye. Moving next to the fourth one. The fourth picture is so the fourth picture is of, this is the fourth picture, and this is a picture of the Parliament House of Denmark. Okay, and the name of the Parliament House of Denmark is Folketing. So Folketing is the name of the Parliament House of Denmark, and that looks like a castle here. Okay, so that is Denmark. Okay, so the fourth picture is of the Parliament House of Denmark, which is known as Folketing. Folketing. Folketing is the name of the Parliament House of Denmark. Clear? Moving to the fifth one. So the fifth picture is the picture of Parliament House of Japan. Okay, so the fifth picture is the picture of Parliament House of Japan. Okay, and the name of the Parliament House of Japan is Diet. Okay, so the name of the Parliament House of Japan is Diet. The fifth is, that is Japan, 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 and that is known as Diet. So Diet is the name of the Parliament House of Japan. So the name of the Parliament House of Japan is Diet. Moving to the sixth one. So this is the sixth picture, and this sixth picture is the picture of the Parliament House of Bangladesh, which is known as Jatiya Sangsad. Okay, so the name of the Parliament House of Bangladesh is Jatiya Sangsad. Okay, Jatiya, hamara Sansad, and it's Sangsad. Okay, so that is the picture of Parliament House of Bangladesh. The name is Jatiya Sangsad. Sixth one is Bangladesh. This is also the one of the neighboring country of India, and it is known, the Parliament House is known as Jatiya Sangsad. Jatiya Sangsad. So the name of the Parliament House of Bangladesh is Jatiya Sangsad. Okay, so these are the names from fourth to sixth. The fourth is Denmark. So the Parliament House of Denmark is known as Folketing. The Parliament House of Japan is known as Diet, and the Parliament House of Bangladesh is known as Jatiya Sangsad. Moving to the seventh one. Okay, so before that, let's just erase this one. Okay, so the seventh picture is of the Parliament House of Israel. So this is the picture of the Parliament House of Israel, and it is known as, okay, and this is known as Knesset. Okay, so the name of the Parliament House of Israel is I just got confused. Israel, Israel, and it is known as Knesset. Knesset. So the Parliament House of Israel is known as Knesset. Clear? Moving to the eighth one. So eighth picture is of the Parliament House of United States. So this is the picture of the Parliament House of United States, and that is known as Capitol. Okay, that is known as Capitol. So the Parliament House of United States is, the name of the Parliament House of United States is Capitol. United States, and it is known as Capitol. It is known as Capitol. Okay. Moving to the ninth one. So the ninth picture is of the Last is the picture of the Parliament House of, this is the picture of the Parliament House of Britain, and it is known as House of Commons and House of Lords. So this is the name of the Parliament House of Britain. Okay, that is Britain, Britain, that is Britain. Okay, and the Parliament House of Britain is known as House of Commons and House of Lords. House of Commons, 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 and House of Lords. So this is the name of the Parliament House of Britain. Okay. So this was our today's session, class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a good day.